Hey everybody, Jim Blevins here with first ever episode of Nature Knowledge with Jim Blevins. I'm out here just in a nice little forest park out here. It's a nice cool day. It's about 70 degrees or so. Actually, my legs are a little chilly, but yeah, look at that. We're almost into the fall. Things aren't dead yet, but they'll get there, and then winter will come, and then the spring will come, and it'll come back to life, and the cycle will start all over again. See this stand of trees out here? Look at the way they grow. I know you can't really see it, but they're all kind of bunched up right where their roots start and right where their trunks start. Those are called and the name's escaping me right now, but speaking of winter, these trees right here are deciduous. The tree I showed you in the beginning was an evergreen. Now these deciduous trees, they lose their leaves in the fall, but evergreen trees like pine trees, they don't. They keep them around. Now the reason they call them deciduous trees comes from the word decide, because these trees decide that it's no good to have leaves in the winter because there's not enough sun, so they decide to lose their leaves to save energy so they can come back to life and grow some more leaves in the spring. Gotta save energy, in the winter. I mean, don't we all? We all gotta stay warm. Don't wanna get too overexerted, because then you won't have enough energy for your body heat. There's bugs out here. I got a natural bug repellent, but I don't know. I don't think it's working that well. Would you look at that? Isn't nature beautiful? Oh, look at that over there. We're right along a creek bed. Looking real nice. There's water there, but I don't know if it's flowing. It looks like it might not be flowing. Here, let me bring you for a nice shot.